Welcome to Krazy Klowns. I am Birdman. Today we are playing Ratchet and Clank. I have never played any of these games in my life besides like a demo once in like a Walmart. So yeah, I guess I played like 30 seconds of like the first level because it's a Walmart. How far did you think I was gonna make it into the game before I had to go do something else?
Open up on salmon.
Don't tell me what to do.
Move it out, Shiv.
Oh yeah. Hero, huh?
Identifying prisoner 117. Shiv. Helix.
What the?
Greetings, new fish. I'm
Captain Quark. I don't believe it. You're here. I used to dream of being arrested by you.
Now get out of here. I was talking to you, Zed.
Yes, Captain.
Yeah, get out of here,
new
Zed.
fish. I take it you followed my many adventures.
Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the galaxy.
He ain't famous anymore.
Words hurt, Solitary Bill.
I'm
Yes,
a
Solitary
huge
Bill.
fan.
Come on.
I
Don't
even
be a joke.
pre-ordered the new Ratchet and Clank Holo game.
The what?
You know, the game based on that incident with you and that Lombax.
Oh, you must mean the holo film. Yeah, it's pretty good, if you like all CG.
No, I mean the game. It's based on the Holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison.
How do you get
They're
a game
making
shipped to
game
prison?
Based on a holo film based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long.
Wait, if he's a hero, why is he in jail?
No one will ever hear my side.
I'd like to hear your side, Captain.
So if this is his story, how would we get the point of view with him not here? Come on, I had to point it out at least once.
Where
Oh,
do you think
you're
you're
ugly.
going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that bolt crank.
Wait, so I just walk here? Wouldn't I have done this earlier? This seems not like the hardest thing to do.
And so Ratchet began his adventure, hoping to
Why is the
become a
narration just
galactic
randomly?
ranger. Ratchet bashed his enemies using his trusty Omni Ray.
Don't tell me what to do, narrator. Oh wait, that was just a random frog. He's not my enemy. Oh god, my poor frog is gonna be so upset watching this.
Ratchet knew he faced mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds.
Only 3 of the 5? That's pretty bad. Why do I live, or at least walk, in like one of the most dangerous locations? You just said more peril. Like, if I could die, why wouldn't we get like a better location? Oh, I can destroy some of this stuff.
Disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. The hubris.
Okay,
He was just
I'm gonna destroy you. Where are you?
Buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Hey, who's telling the story here?
Yeah, don't interrupt.
Ready to be a galactic ranger?
No, not particularly. I mean, I only have a wrench.
Ready to dispense some justice?
Hello, recruit. Cora Veralux here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles.
Wait, is it starts right now?
Good work. Now keep moving to the next
Wait, the course starts as soon as I walk in?
A good ranger is always mindful of
Oh,
their
wait.
surroundings. Hop across these moving platforms.
Yeah, and I almost died. I literally almost died at the second obstacle. I would have never been a good
Good
ranger.
job. You could be the recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next
Why would
part of
you
the course.
start this though as soon as I walk in?
Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor. Good choice.
Well, I know it's a good choice, but I didn't choose it. It just told me to do it. How do I get this? Where did you guys get lava from?
It's time for the final challenge. Survive a brutal onslaught of enemies, and you just might be our next Galactic Ranger.
Wait, you guys should have said that before walking. Oh, me. See, I'm telling you, some of these narrations or overhead speaking is the best parts of this game.
One down. You looking at
The Toads and them are fighting.
Galactic Ranger. Another one down.
Oh!
That's right. We want you.
Yeah!
I know what you're thinking. Do I have what it takes? But if you have heart, then you have what it takes. You don't have what it takes.
But I have heart.
Yes, but unfortunately that heart is encased in a weak, muscleless mass of inexperience. Plus there's your history to consider.
Got a long line of citations here.
Wait, just give me a chance.
Sorry, no time. Galaxy in jeopardy. Get back out there. And remember, you can do anything. As long as you're me. Next! Meanwhile, on planet Quartu...
Dr. Nefarious, the mad scientist who made all of this possible.
Mad suggests cognitive impairment. I'm more of a vengeful scientist.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime hub.
Hello.
Defect detected. Preparing for immediate destruction. In 3, 2.
Oh, a defect. Go play, Victor.
How am I a defect? That makes no sense. It's like, they made me. So, like, shouldn't they just made me the proper way? Why is my camera angle this weird?
Feeble defect knew that if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb at whatever lay in his path.
That's See, how do you know this? How do you know this story? Why was a cutscene even needed for that? Wait, did I go backwards?
There you are.
Oh my.
You're breaking company for these. Hey, no.
Get back here, you miserable defect.
I prefer vertically challenged.
Try outrunning this.
Running what? Oh, fire.
I'm gonna rip you apart.
Well, since fire doesn't run, I can easily outrun it.
I'll never be a ranger. What? Huh? Huh?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I must get to Aliro City. They are in danger.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, who's in danger?
An army is coming. I must warn them.
Hang on. Slow down. You've been in a crash. What do you say we get you back to my garage? I'll run a diagnostic and have you fixed up in no time. My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.
This is kind of right on my back. That's cute. Wait, do I need to beat these guys up? They don't seem like they're gonna attack me.
Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Nice! A combustor!
Ratchet basked in the freedom of being able to switch weapons whenever he felt like it.
Can you guys oh, there you go.
I think that's all of them.
Well done, Ratchet.
The Blarg are all over Grimm's garage. Grimm, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up until the coast is clear.
Just hold tight, Grimm. I got this.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were gonna clean it up last week?
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
Can you not talk about me needing to do my job?
Once they were safe, Clank explained Drek's plan to attack the Hall of Heroes. With the Galactic Rangers out of the equation, Ratchet knew he had to help, even though neither he nor Clank had the upper body strength necessary for hero work.
I can totally help.
Oh, I could not ask a civilian to get involved in something so dangerous.
No, I'm not just a civilian. The Rangers are actually my, friends. Why do you think I have so many pictures of them?
But why are you not in any of them?
Well, someone had to take the picture, right? I mean, come on. I even have a ship. That's strange. I'm picking up something from Nivalis.
It appears to be some sort of distress signal, but it is being jammed using a Blargian signal dampener.
Don't worry. The computer would have told us if we were in any real danger.
Fatal crash imminent. Would you like to record your last will and testament?
Admittedly, that's not super promising. Well, it's damaged, but I fixed worse. Come on, maybe there's someone in town who can help us.
You need to fix your computer more. They said that you were gonna die. Oh, I want this.
Oh, I just might make my quota this week.
Look out!
That looks promising. Get out of here.
Ratchet jumped and jumped and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
I didn't make the game. So where's my pen? Wait.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
I don't know if I want to go down there.
What are these things?
Kind of ugly.
According to my databanks, they were created by Drek Industries in order to assist the warbots.
More bad guys. Get ready.
These bad guys haven't done anything. What should we be worried? Oh, can you die? We are gonna die.
Attention, citizens. You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small, insignificant invasion. We are working hard to contact the cause so we can find a peaceful resolution. But until they return,
Is that lady saying anything important?
it's probably best to remain.
I can't see what was happening.
Oh dear, more of them.
That must be the mayor's
We're gonna die. What mayor are you talking about?
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
Yeah, but we don't even know him.
Come in! Anyone come in! We're in danger!
Thank you. I thought we were done for sure.
Oh, same.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus.
Why would they have you sign that? What
I
Mulan?
was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help!
Why would he still have it?
Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Oh.
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
I'm looking. I just don't know where to look.
It's our job to take you out.
You're doing awful.
We're gonna win.
No. No. Are you serious? What the heck? Oh, well, hello, everyone. Oh, shit. I quit. That's very nice right now. I am actually dying. Why are we looking right there?
I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before? Because I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drek's forces showed up.
We are the new
Rangers.
Rangers.
Overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed
I'm actually
warbots
not
marching
wondering any of this.
ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics
Your father
to
sounds like an
planet
asshole who
building.
never read the Lore X.
Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us.
Oh, wait, no, that doesn't...
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe?
Ew, I didn't even realize that was a
It does
super.
look like the fastest way down.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they
Wait,
would
he's a
soon
plumber?
come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Wait, what?
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
And I wish we were finding a zombie T-Rex, but I love these little jokes. But I'll see you in the next reboot. You look familiar. That's pretty great. Well, to our next adventure, everyone.